Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment in the section box below if you really enjoyed this video to see more of it. I'm Red. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.
Hi guys, I forgot to show the actual lighting setup I used during the shoot, so I created an illustration so you guys can see where the light and everything else was placed. You'd see I had the model about 4 feet away from the backdrop, and the octabox I used was also about 3 or 4 feet away from the model. I placed a reflector directly below her to bounce some of the light from the octabox back onto her face and open up the shadows caused by the small octabox I was using. Unfortunately, my 100mm macro lens has given up on me, and that's how come I decided to shoot a series of beauty images with my Sigma 85mm 1.4 lens just to see if I could manage with that lens till I've saved enough to buy a new 100mm macro lens. I also realized I could shoot in crop mode on the Canon EOS R, but that only gives me 12 megapixels out of the 30.1 megapixels, and I did that somewhere in this video, so do stick through to the end and tell me what you think, if 12 megapixels is a bad idea in 2019, so do stick around. Lastly, I posted in my community tab that I'm giving back when we get to 4K subscribers by doing a live stream photo shoot where I get to answer your questions on set and even try out certain ideas you may pass at me. And remember to subscribe, as our target is 6,000 by the end of the year. And for this video, I'm giving us a target of 100 likes, so go like away. Anyways, enjoy the rest of this interactive beauty shoot session with the Canon EOS R and the Sigma 85mm lens, and let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm also shooting like slightly wider, but I know that I may end up cropping like in a bit more for it to look something like this, you know, so I just want to have enough room to choose the cropping later. And also because this lens can get like very close to you. But right now my settings, my camera settings. Are you interested in knowing my camera settings?
What?
Are you interested in knowing my camera settings?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, so it's at 1/160, f7.1, and ISO 320. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that looks really good. Tilt your head this way a little bit. Yes, and now just turn your face. Perfect. Hold it there. And one thing is, with your eyes, I would also want you to squint them a little bit. Like just try and soften. It would. Okay. And hold on. Yeah, right there. Let me see. Yeah, that looks good. I still want you to, like, there should be a mood. Like so far, like the pictures, it looks like you were told to do this and you're doing it. But I feel you should just embody it a little bit more, and just like you're looking into the mirror and then posing. So this time I'm going to be taking the pictures as you pose, you know. So yes, that's perfect. Hold that right there. Okay, bring your chin down slightly. Yes, chin down. Yes, right there. Beautiful. Another one. Hold that. Okay. And maybe let's move you, so turn to your side. Yeah. Okay, yes. Perfect. And then just tilt your head in and then turn your face to me right there. Okay, so with your eyes, I'm gonna start with you looking at my hand. Look at this hand. Follow it, yeah. And then just squint your eyes a little bit for me. And bring your chin down, right there. Yeah, hold that. hold that. Okay, bring your eyes here, squint a little bit, and tilt your head this way. Yes, bring your chin down, right there. Okay, now bring it back into the camera, and just tilt your head a little bit more this way. Yes, right there. Okay, now let's do the opposite. So let your head go all the way back. Yeah, and then lift it. Yes, perfect. Hold that. I can't get close because I'm using an 85, but I'm gonna crop later on. Yeah, this is really, really nice. You can even close your eyes like you're dreaming. Yes, this is perfect. Oh, I love the long neck. Oh, yes. Nice. And now just, you can look, oh, yeah, right there. Hold that. Don't move. Hold that, yes, right there. Keep it. Beautiful. Yes, I love the eyes to me. Gorgeous, okay. Tilt it this way. Yes, right there. Okay, hold that, and let me see how it looks. Just gonna zoom in. I'm thinking it should be a little bit more of a side, so turn this way a bit more. Yes, and now, yes, exactly. So use that hand, but bring it towards your lower lip a little. Yes, perfect. Chin up slightly, right there. Don't move. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Yes, and put your fingers together a bit more. Like it's, just make it soft and bring it a little lower. Yeah, just like that. Oh, I love the eyes. Keep that. Beautiful. I feel like the 85 is limiting me because I can't really get close. I just have to keep remembering that I can always crop later. Yeah, I feel it's like it's just there. Okay. So make it like, just relax it, let it fall where it's supposed to fall, sort of. Don't mind the color of your nails. Sure. I'll be able to match it in post. So we didn't tell you. So oh yeah, this is beautiful. Hold that. Yes, I love that. Yes, one more. Okay, another one right there. Hold that. Yes, gorgeous. Beautiful. One more. Okay. I think we have it for this. So yeah, these look good. These look really good. I think I'm happy with them. Yeah. Okay, so next look. Alright, so I'm still using my Sigma 85, but I've made a few changes to my camera settings. On my f9, 1/160 on the shutter speed, and ISO 320. And the strobe is now on, okay, let me just look on the trigger. It's now on 1/4 power. And I'm also shooting in crop mode, just so I can feel her face in the frame. Alright, so this is me shooting in crop mode 1.6, and I'm going to change it to full for you guys to see. So if it's full, this is how it is, and because it's a Sigma 85 and it's not my macro I can't really focus when it goes this close. So I'm gonna come as close as I can and still be able to focus, but I'm going to crop and go to 1.6 so that she feels the frame even more. That's just about it. That way basic poses before we transition into something better. So bring your chin down, bring your chin down, yes. And maybe just tilt your head. Yeah, perfect. And turn your face to the right a bit, right there. So let's start with something like this. Okay, so needs to focus on the eyes and oops. Let me check and see everything is. Oh yeah, that's really nice. But I like the way, yes. I don't like the way you're like straight into the camera. So maybe let's turn your body this way instead. And then just turn towards me again. Yeah, turn. Yes, right there. Perfect. I like this. Let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, this is really nice. I like it. Just gonna move a little closer so she feels the frame even more. And I'll still crop it the way I want, but yeah. Yeah, that's nice. You can even close your eyes in this. Yes, perfect. Very nice. Like really close the shutter. Yeah. Perfect. One more. And then your eyes, yeah, right there. But squint it, just like that. Perfect. Hold that. Beautiful. One more. So, yeah, perfect. I'll just move my focus point. Yeah, beautiful. Yes. And instead of your head leaning back, I want you to, so whatever you're doing, still leaning into the camera a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, just like that. Oh yes, hold that. Don't change anything. So even with what you're doing, you can like really push your lip with that finger. Yes, just like that. And then be changing your eyes. So you can be looking into the lens, you can be looking way down here, you can be looking all the way here. So you can keep the head position where it is, but then just be moving your eyes in some of them so you can just move your head. Anytime the light goes off, do something different. And then we just pick what's really going to work. But I like the frame so much. Right there. Beautiful. 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 Yes. Gorgeous. Yeah, one more. Yeah, I like that. Actually, raise your shoulder all the way up. Your shoulder, like bring it close to your, yes, just like that. Beautiful. Maybe tilt your head a bit more and chin up slightly. Yes, just like that. One more. Okay, I want to shoot in horizontal mode now, so let's just, perfect. No, bring the shoulder back. Yeah, hold that. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So yeah, I want the head to be on both. Perfect. So just look straight into the camera for this. Ooh, actually, this is beautiful. But then just bring your arms out. So exactly. Yes. And then push your face forward. Ooh, this is beautiful. Actually, let me just go back to portrait. Yeah, hold that. I like the one it was like straight into the camera. So let's just turn back straight into the, yes. Chin down. Perfect. And just go back to, hold that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Turn your face to me a little. Like, so you're straight into the camera and then just holding your hair. So you can just lift it on the side like that and then your hands. Yes, perfect. All right, so keep that. Let's just take, oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous, very nice, yes. Just be moving your head. Perfect. Oh yeah, I love that. Beautiful, gorgeous. Really dope. You can close your eyes in some of them so you can see the eyeliner detail. Perfect, bring your chin down slightly. Chin down some more. Yes, and squint. Yes, beautiful. Let your right hand go out of, like bring it out a little. Yes, perfect. Yes, gorgeous. All right, look right into this camera. This one, yes. Perfect, hold that, don't change anything. and change. Beautiful. One more. Beautiful. Okay. Actually, I want to go out of the crop mode so I can shoot like a little wider, and then I'll crop it later in post if I want. So yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Just review. Do you think we should balance the hair on the right? So it's like as small as this one. So when you're lifting, try and scoop the same amount and then just lift it up. Yeah. The way you did it was. Yes, but the one in front is a bit too much. It's fine at the back.
No, she's taking higher.
Yes, and then the one in front, if we can just hide a little bit of it. We can hang just a few.
Just stick it on the other side. Yeah. Put it on the other side.
Which one?
Oh, it's okay like that.
It's supposed to be in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But now it's too much on the right side, so.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
And then just push your neck, push your face out. Perfect. So now you're just gonna be moving, turning. When the light, goes off, you can just be. 1 second, let me just go back. All right, perfect. So ready? And all right, smooth, nice. Nice. You can also be adding your shoulders. So when you're moving it with your shoulders as well. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can even turn like a little bit more to the side, and then just bring your face back to the yes. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's do the same this way. Yeah, right there. Hold that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So let's settle straight into the camera again for like 2 more shots and we're done. It's beautiful. Let me just go and crop 1 more for like 2 shots and we're done. And yes, right. Yeah, look at your face. Yes. And 1 more. Okay, cool. We're done.